Gardner here. I want to take a moment and thank you for attending the Narcissistic Abuse and Trauma Bonds workshop this past weekend. My hope is that you're settled back into your daily activities and now you're armed with all this information and all these insights and strategies that we discussed during the workshop. Most people, I was going to say many, but I'm thinking it's most. Most people attend workshops and events and they take a ton of notes a lot of times. Sometimes they record and they get really excited and, they go through all types of exercises. They get really excited about how now their life is going to be changed. Now their life is going to be different. Now they know what it is that they need to do. And then maybe a month later, all of that just kind of fizzled out. And then you give it 6 months or so, they've forgotten almost everything. So since both trauma bonds and narcissistic abuse are both pretty emotionally heavily charged topics, I wanted to take a moment and record a few short videos to serve as your aftercare follow-up program now that you've completed the Understanding Narcissistic Abuse and Trauma Bonds workshop part 1. There is a part 2, by the way. Part 2 focuses more on narcissistic abuse strategies. I call it the Narcissistic Survival Toolkit. So that's a whole day of focusing on strategies. It's very experiential. Attached to this particular link are 5 videos, one for each attachment style, and then one giving you a couple of strategies for working with narcissists, primarily the gray rock method. So stay tuned.